Welcome to our channel. Today we have an inspiring story to share with you about 6 blind men and an elephant. Let's dive into the story and see what lessons we can learn. Once there were 6 blind men who stood by the roadside every day, begging from the people passing by. They had often heard about elephants, but had never seen one. Being blind, they could not see it. One morning, an elephant was driven down the road. The 6 blind men eagerly approached the elephant, each determined to learn what kind of animal it was by touching it.
Can we touch it? Maybe we can figure out what it's like.
Sure, go ahead and feel it, but be careful. Well, now I know all about this beast. He is exactly like a wall.
My brother, you are mistaken. He is not at all like a wall, but he is round, smooth, and sharp. He is more like a spear.
Both of you are wrong. Anybody who knows anything can see that this elephant like a snake.
Oh, how blind you are. It is very clear to me that he is round and tall like a tree.
What rubbish. This beast is not like any of the things you named. He is exactly like a huge fan. Oh, foolish fellows, you have surely lost your senses. This elephant is not like a wall, spear, snake, tree, or fan. He is exactly like a rope.
Then the elephant moved on, and the 6 blind men sat by the roadside all day and quarreled about him.
You are all fools. I know what I felt, and it was a wall.
No, it was a spear. You are mistaken.
How can you all be so blind? It was clearly like a tree.
None of you understand it was like a fan.
Why are you all arguing? What seems to be the problem?
We touched an elephant and each of us knows what it is like, but we can't agree.
Yes, he must decide who is correct.
All of you are correct. How is that possible?
We all felt something different.
Each of you touched a different part of the elephant. That is why you are all correct, as the elephant consists of all those features you described.
This story of the blind men and the elephant teaches us about the reality of life and a basic problem we all have. Often people think that only they are right and others are wrong, but they never try to see from another person's point of view. When people disagree, they often argue, and arguments can turn into fights. This is why quarrels in families, fights between friends, and conflicts between people of different communities and religions are increasing. The reason behind all this is that we do not try to understand the beliefs of others and only see our own point of view. If we try to open our minds and understand others' thoughts, these petty conflicts will end and a sense of respect for each other's beliefs will arise. Then the spirit of brotherhood will increase in the world and it will become a better place for us to live in. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this story and found it valuable, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content. Keep smiling and see you next time.